indicated along a line extending from 4 miles southwest of Bar Lake to 3 miles west of Commerce City to 4 miles east of Wheat Ridge, or along a line extending from 35 miles south of Greeley to 92 miles west of Akron to 6 miles northwest of Denver, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denver, northwestern Aurora, southern Thornton, southeastern Arvada, southern Westminster, Commerce City, southeastern North Glen, Brighton, Federal Heights, Denver International Airport, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Buckley SFB, and Todd Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Gusty showers will impact